Hello friends, this is Sai Fernindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice-oriented trainings with real-world and job-oriented classes on Azure Data Factory and Synapse Analytics right from the scratch, right from the Azure fundamentals. Come on, let's understand what is Azure and what is Synapse before we step into the details of our classes, details of our course. What is cloud? A platform to ensure 24/7 access to our data. We can access the data either through browser like a Chrome or Safari or Internet Explorer or Edge, any browser, or using tools. In our classes, we'll come across different tools like Azure Data Studio, Data Factory migrations, so migration assistants, etc. So either using browsers or using tools, we can work with storage and ETL components. And different benefits of cloud. No physical infrastructure is involved. No physical infrastructure is involved, so low maintenance overhead, user friendly, security, easy security and threat management, big data storage. For example, we work with something called data lake storage, Synapse, data warehouse, etc. And support big data analytics and reporting, and ETL technologies like Python, Scala, Spark SQL, and Warehouse. Total 5 different benefits. And from here, what is Azure? A cloud platform. And using this cloud, the Azure cloud, we enjoy free technical support from Microsoft and free tools for secure data access and integrations. Using Azure, we can upload, operate, store, and read any kind of data. Cheaper, highly secure, and easy usage with big data storage and analytics. With this information, in general, in a broader sense, as a data engineer, in a broader perspective, as a data engineer, in general, the usual data engineers will be focusing on 14 different components. 4 fundamental components: data, active directories, metrics, key vaults, and SQL Server, Azure SQL. These are the actual servers to host data warehouse concepts. And few storage components. In addition to the fundamentals, Azure fundamentals, as a data engineer, in general, concentrate on storage components, storage account, data lake, Synapse SQL pool, and Databricks file system. Out of all these, Synapse SQL pool is the primary component for data warehousing activities. And Azure ETL components, Data Factory, so Databricks, Data Factory, and Synapse Analytics. Databricks is more into code-based ETL. Data Factory is into code-less ETL, and Synapse Analytics, code-based ETL as well as codeless ETL, everything put together. Then we have Azure streaming components, Stream Analytics, IoT hubs, event hubs. IoT hubs and events are mainly the capturing media for processing any kind of live streaming data like live temperatures, live stock market operations, live navigations like Google Map, etc. Anything live, anything real time, we have streaming components. Out of all these, in our Data Factory and Synapse Analytics, will concentrate on one, storage, Synapse SQL Pool, and two, ETL, Data Factory and Synapse Analytics, for 2.5 weeks. If in case you are planning for Azure Data Engineer job role, then better to get into the complete 6 weeks course, understanding, implementing, and enjoying all 14 components. However, if you are looking only for Data Factory classes, it would be 3 components out of 14: Synapse SQL Pool, Data Factory, and Synapse Analytics. Choice is yours based on your job requirements and based on your resume plan. For DP203 certification, all 14 components required, and for Data Factory Synapse, only Data Factory Synapse, you have Synapse SQL Pool and Data Factory. I'll just highlight them here in this way. I'll just highlight them. So Synapse SQL Pool, Data Factory, and Synapse Analytics. Next, with this information, let's understand the actual plan for our lab implementations. Okay, so here it is. Just to make sure we highlight the things, be clear in what we learn. Yes, here it is. Let's understand the lab plan. Before that, what is Data Factory and what is Synapse? Let's see, or Synapse. Data Factory is a suite of services for ETL operations as well as for data warehouse design. We work with relational as well as non-relational data sources, data processing, and BI tools, along with real-world big data analytic activities. Whereas Azure Synapse, it's an analytics service that brings together enterprise data warehousing as well as big data analytics, both data warehousing components and big data analytics components. Here we work with huge amount of data loads and understand analytic components with something called ADF Studio and something else called Synapse Studio. And the main benefits, it is about more data in less space. That's the main benefit of Synapse. Automated tuning and maintenance caliber, maintenance capacity, and fully secured and easier to implement, very much faster when dealing with petabytes and huge amount of data. So in our Data Factory and Synapse course curriculum, planned for about 2.5 weeks, 12 plus hours of practical training, and 100% hands-on, chapter-wise examples, chapter-wise FAQs, tasks, solutions with end-to-end implementations. I request you to make sure you have SQL Server 2017 or higher operating system for implementations. So here it is. Make sure you are aware of SQL Server TSQL fundamentals like DML, DDL, constants, etc. exclusively in SQL Server. To get into the part of your data engineering course, the red part, left side, Azure Data Factory and Synapse. Well, if you are getting into data engineering, Data Factory is a part of the data engineering 6 weeks course. If not, you may exclusively choose only Data Factory and Synapse. And here is the detailed course curriculum. This red box, Data Factory, will start from the fundamentals on Azure SQL Warehouse, something called dedicated SQL pools, Data Factory, pipelines, and on-premise to Azure implementations, data gathering, data flow, Synapse analytics, and incremental loads. We have something called Spark and Power Query, optimization, security, and monitoring activities. We'll take all these concepts practically, step by step, with real world examples and chapter wise, concept wise mock tests. And to get into bit detail on the Data Factory Synapse, remember Synapse is more into storage, Data Factory is more into ETL operations. So different pipelines we are going to create with different data sources, cloud and non-cloud data sources. Get the pipelines permanently stored into something called ADF store and use Power BI for analytics. From data engineering and Azure BI perspective, we have additional components like data lake, Cosmos, etc. So the complete lab plan in your computer, make sure you have SQL Server and SSMS tool installed before we start from scratch in Azure for Data Factory and Synapse. Make sure you have Windows 8 or higher operating system and 64-bit processor type. It's required. And with this information, the kind of concepts we'll take in our classes from scratch, right from introduction to installing the source databases, working with something called Synapse, SQL pool, warehouse, big data loads and monitoring activities, Data Factory operations, and we'll be understanding about something called DIU architectures. From there, we understand something else called pipelines, Polybase, and we'll understand on-premise activities, data flow operations, different levels of data flow transformations that we need to use in real world, joins, data analytics, Spark SQL, incremental loads on files and tables. So here we need to write few SQL scripts, small scripts we need to write. So for this reason, make sure you're aware of SQL Server, TSQL concept, the fundamentals, basics should be fine as per our course curriculum. We need to work with optimizations, alerts, monitoring, and security operations along with concept-wise FAQs, about 50 FAQs, and the complete solutions with implementations and migration activities. Yes, I assume we are very new to the subject. We'll take it from scratch. We'll understand how to, when to, and all kinds of real world scenarios. Assure you once again, complete practical implementations, and one small request. On-time practice required throughout the course so that we understand the actual essence out of the classes and the examples. Either you go for live online training or on-demand videos, any mode, same content, same curriculum, and same support. I assure you, complete practice orientation. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again. See you soon. Thank you.